Welcome to Colorful Cute Kids Channel.
Hello everyone and welcome to the Colorful Cute Kids Channel. In this video, I show you how to draw Minion and Banana. Let's start drawing. Today, I will guide you to draw the character Stuart. From the movie Minions, starting with his glasses and his eyes, he only has one eye. Among the Minions, Stuart has the shortest height. He loves to have fun and laugh. Then I draw his mouth. He is smiling. Draw his teeth. Draw his hands. Then, draw his clothes. Draw his legs. His hand is holding bananas. He loves bananas so much. It's Stuart's favorite dish. The bananas are long and delicious. Then I draw his hair. Now I use a black marker to make the picture more visible. Let's color together. First, I use yellow to paint the skin of Stuart, Minion, and Bananas. I colored his glove gray. Then I used dark blue to paint his clothes. Light gray. Brown. Great job! If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Goodbye.